Hi lovelies, welcome to my channel. My name is Dima. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make an amazing hair growth leave-in spray. If you enjoyed this video, please tap the red subscribe button on your interface, give me a thumbs up, comment below your questions, and also tap the bell icon for more videos. Keep watching and I'll be right back. Welcome back, guys. My first ingredient is Calendula flour. I'm going to be using a teaspoon of that. I'm going to be using a glass bowl to collect all my ingredients. Please watch this video to the end if you have any of these hair problems that I'm going to be listing out now: dandruff, dry hair, dull hair, heat damaged hair, full body hair loss, patchy bald spots, psoriasis, etc. Next ingredient, I used nettle leaves in 1 teaspoon. Next, lavender buds. I'm also going to be using that in 1 teaspoon. This is what lavender buds looks like. You should invest in lavender buds. They are really amazing. They grow hair really fast. My next ingredient is rose buds. From rose buds, you get rose petals. So these are the buds that form before the petals. So I added 1 teaspoon. The next herb that I'm going to be using is Dadalion roots. Dadalion roots. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that well, but we move. So I'm going to be using a teaspoon of that as well. That's what it looks like, sorry. So the next ingredient I'm going to be using is black seed, aka kalonji, aka black cumin seed. So I added 1 teaspoon of that. The next ingredient that I'm going to be adding is fenugreek. I'm going to be adding fenugreek seeds in 1 teaspoon. If you don't have fenugreek seeds, please go ahead and use the powder if that's what you have. All these herbs are really amazing. I'm going to allow you to do your research to find out their benefits. I'm not going to be boring you with that in this video. So pour 250 ml worth of hot water that boiled up to 100 degrees Celsius into that. Cover that up and allow to sit for 8 to 12 hours before sieving. Please do not allow this to sit overnight, else it's going to ferment and it's not going to be effective anymore. So after 12 hours, this is what I have. You can see that the rose buds had released its color in the nutrient in the water, in the hot water. So you can tell that this properly infused well. So I'll grab my strainer and a bowl to collect my filtrate. I'll go ahead and sieve this to get my hair spray. Sorry, don't worry, I'm going to be listing out all the ingredients in the description box below so you guys can know all I used and also the spelling. So this is what our leave-in conditioner looks like. I'm going to be adding in my final ingredients, but these ingredients are optional. I always add essential oils to my treatments because I love them so much. I love its effect on my scalp and hair basically. So the first one is going to be peppermint essential oil, and I'm going to be adding that in 5 drops. Next, lavender essential oil. Yes, I know I use lavender buds, but nothing is too much. None of that is too much. So I'm going to be adding 5 drops of that. Next is eucalyptus essential oil. I'm also going to be adding that in 5 drops. So that's basically it. I'll proceed to stir this to combine all the ingredients and then transfer to my spray bottle. This will help with easy application. If you don't have spray bottle, please use your applicator bottle. This leave-in spray is super potent. I give you my words, super potent. And please do me a favor, go online and research each and every one of these herbs used in this video, so you know. So this is what I have in my spray bottle. This treatment is to be used as a leave-in spray. Do not wash it out. I repeat, do not wash it out. Use it as your leave-in spray. You can use this to hydrate your hair and then follow up with leave-in conditioner. Lastly, sealant. It could be, your sealant could be a hair butter cream or hair growth oil. You can use hair oil as your sealant. So I'll go ahead and work in sections and then use that to saturate my hair while I seal with hair oil. The video on how I made this oil will be in the description box. Check my description box for a video on how this oil came about. For best results, you have to apply this leave-in spray 2 to 3 times a week. You can leave this leave-in spray in your hair. No need to rinse out. Do not wash it out. For storage, store this in your refrigerator for maximum of 5 days. After 5 days, this treatment is bad. Please discard and make a fresh batch. That's all for this video, guys. If you have any question for me, please drop that in the comment section. Ask away in the comments and I will definitely reply you. Please, we're on our way to 100,000 subscribers. That's the goal. Please tap that red subscribe button if you have been watching and you've not subscribed. Also tap the bell icon so you can be notified on our future videos. Please share this video with your friends. There must be one person or two who may need this video. Please help by spreading this video. You can share in your WhatsApp status, you can share in your WhatsApp group, Facebook group, Instagram feed, anywhere at all possible that you can share this video. Please share so we could reach more audience. This channel needs to grow. Thank you so much for that. Please stay safe out there, remain blessed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.